Hey, come here a minute. I wanted to show you something. Look down in here. See that right there? That's what I'm using for a light for the number boards on the front of the F unit. So, oh, hang on a minute. Be right back. This, I didn't know. We probably wouldn't be able to tell looking down in there exactly what it is, but it's a pathway light. This Mexican dude was selling them on the street corner basically for like nothing. I think $3 or $4 or $5 a piece or something like that. It was pretty cheap. So I took the box of them he had, and I had like what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I got like 12 of them. Well, come to find out, they didn't have any transformer or anything with them, so I got these things, and so I decided to use them on the F here. So this is what they look like, and they come in the whole kit with everything you need. But I took them apart. I don't know if I can do that quick or not. I don't want to spend all day showing you this stuff, but I don't even remember how I got them apart. I might have cut them out of there maybe. Close enough. I don't need that junk anyways. Yeah, that's how I did it. So I took these out. You know, and like I said a long time ago, you know, I like showing people this stuff. Maybe you got a plan of your own, you know, if you've never done something like this before, build your own homemade stuff. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do it. You just gotta find the stuff. Keep your eyes out for it. You eat, sleep, breathe, think. Parts. This is I do anyways. So that would be the plug, but I don't need that plug. So I just cut them things off. I have no use for them. Sharp nippers make all the difference in the world. So you take this out of here, and this will go in the bin. And this comes out of here. And I cut this off that's in this box right about here. I cut it off short enough, but I cut a hole just smaller than this diameter. And this just sits in the hole in there, and I glued it in, as you can see the caulking probably. Like right there. That's how I glued it in. It should be all right. And I took my finger, just smoothed it around the outside, kind of just make sure it glues in tight. But this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to use these. Here, come over here. I'm going to use these other ones, because if you look at some pictures of F units at night, you'll see they have lights down here by the trucks. So I'm going to mount this back up under there to shine down to where the steps would actually be. Somewhere in here, I can't remember exactly where it is right offhand, but I might just center it over the truck. But anyways, they're 12 volts, so it doesn't take anything to run them. And you know, everything in here is going to run off of, I'm going to have 2 batteries when I'm done. But everything's going to run off of 12 volts. And of course I got the two, I've got the 2 alternators in there, one for the motor to generate my power and one to run all the accessories. So then these go like yahoo, and where's my little 12 volt tester? No, I can't lose that. 12 volt tester, where are you? Where's the end of it? Oh, here it is. This should work. And just find yourself a 12 volt power pack from anything, an old printer, camera, I don't know, whatever you can find, but they're great for testing things. If I got enough wire exposed here, you should be able to see this. Look right here, Mr. Cameraman. Mrs. Conductress, camera conductress. See? And they're plenty bright, especially at night. So those should work okay. But I had to get outside. It's going to be 75 today, so why wouldn't I? I'm painting the whole inside of the house, but oh, I needed to get out here and play train. So that's basically it. Oh, I can't take that out. That's the number box. And let me show you where it goes, and then I'll let you go. I know I get talking too much. But that box is going to slide back into here. Come over here a second. That box is going to slide into here, and the inside, the edge of the box will be right here, and I'm going to glue it in there. Then, when I put the rings around it, well, I'm forgetting what they're called. Anyways, I put that on there. I hope to just get a couple very long butterfly screws in here that will go all the way through, and I can just snug those down. And then with the lens in the front of it, it should hide everything. And then I'll caulk this around the outside. After I get this all sanded and finished, I'll caulk this. Well, I was working on it a couple of weeks ago. I thought, you know what, I better get these done and figured out where they're going before I top coat the Bondo all over everything. And then I got to do the same exact thing on the other side. So a couple weeks of monkeying around, and those will be done. And then right now I'm going to start monkeying around with the lights under the trucks. So other than that, peace out.